I mean, I say, yo, all who never got born here, I never wear a cartridge paper and them shoes to the whole of the body pick. Let me say, born bad mind.
Born bad man.
You know why I say that? Alright, General, listen to me, I say. You hear me? See them a try hold me down. So me stop write the music and walk with me gun. Alright, I walk from bar to bar for the rum. No one me for proud or son. Yeah, hear me? Man, I do the right yet still them a fight man. Lucky thing say I judge and me life man. Man, I breathe in the hard coast pan the white sun. The house pan the hill too, girl, in my life man. True my standard, I make them my life man. Bad mind choke man, I catch flight and a champagne man, I pop in the sky man. I shine like a diamond. Diamond. They never there and you never have a sense. So see them a run in when you copy in the Benz. But my picture for family, my friends, them were there from me. Never there and I only till when things start change for the youth them. So man have to be careful in a life right now. I run general, no I see no new friend. And 10 of them up and I have my eyes out. That things start change for the youth them. You want anything you want right now. You don't want to see no new friend. Them say time around, but hear me I say new truth. They say you mean you tell the truth, love violence and them things. You don't know the things that yours who come from. So I represent for peace at the same time. And you not say, yo, big up the thing. Yo.
Yo, yeah, baby, you're not eating up no more.
You don't fuck more, I tell you man.
Yo, I love you. Remember to be out different round, you know. What I know about that? You're fully ready. That's on the record already. Oh, done. It's released already, done. Yeah, we know a song we released already. You know what going on. You see the way you introduce the song, show me say you know about stage show, you know about presentation and music. You over to me and deal it. So really and truly, brother,
It tells it all.
give big up yourself to be a part of this.
Yeah man, you're a bad artist.
Big up yourself and give thanks for the journey forward. And it's an honor today and witness the eye. I'm gonna next week or next month, I think artists are ready for you.
Who knows? Nobody can tell.
So big up yourself. Yeah.
100% talent, Jamaica.